Hello Lade Legion and welcome to another video from Lade Finance. In this video I'm going to show you how to add BNB to your MetaMask wallet so that you can actually trade for more Lade Finance. This would be something that's very obvious to people who are quite used to cryptocurrency or at least have a decent experience. But for those of you who are new, I'm going to show you everything from scratch. And the reason I'm showing you from my phone rather than the desktop computer today is that I prefer to actually trade on this app called Binance on my phone rather than actually using the computer. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the App Store and actually download Binance. So it will be this one right here, looks like this. Obviously I already have it installed, so mine says update, but you're going to want to hit download for that. Once you've got Binance, this is where you go to create an account. So when you first open it, it's going to look a little bit different to mine because mine is on Binance Professional. You'll be on Binance Lite. It's very easy to change that. All you do is go to the top left right here where this little person is, and you change it from Binance Lite to Binance Professional. As you can see there, I'm off Lite and I'm on Professional. As you can see at the top above that, I've got my account number hidden because I don't want you guys to see that. Okay, so it's quite simple to get started with this. You'll notice you won't be able to actually do anything until you confirm some of your details. So as you can see here with the verified, my identity has been verified. I'm at intermediate, which means I can do all of these things and I have all of these limits quite high. So I can deposit 20,000 daily, I can withdraw 20,000 daily, and my crypto, I can basically deposit unlimited amount and I can withdraw 100 Bitcoin worth. So quite a lot as an intermediate trader. All you need to do for that is basically confirm your address and your driver's license and stuff like that. So pretty basic, pretty normal stuff. Obviously, they want to make sure that your account's secure and you are who you say you are. And that's the whole theme about cryptocurrency. Everything's safe and everything's decentralized so that all your money is safe. Once you actually buy on an exchange, it's a lot safer to transfer it to a wallet. So that way it's even safer. But exchanges are pretty safe in general, but I would always transfer it to a wallet if you can. So once you get your account verified and you change it to professional by clicking that button there, I'm now going to show you how to deposit money so that you can buy BNB. So at the bottom left, you'll notice these bars. So you'll have market, you'll have trade, you'll have futures, and you'll have a wallet. I have all my details hidden right now by clicking these little eyes so you guys can't see it. But all you're going to do to get started is hit this little yellow deposit button up the top. So I hit deposit, and you might not have anything showing up. So you might have to actually type in AUD, which stands for Australian dollars. Or if you're someone in another country, like you're using US dollars, then you'll type in USDT. But let's do the Australian version now. So I'll go AUD. I will click Pay ID and OSCO, and it takes me here. So I will then enter how much I want to trade. So let's say it is 100 Australian dollars. I will then go continue. And it gives me this little pay ID amount here, and you'll see the little squares. All I do is tap the squares. It says copied successfully. I would then get out of there and go to my banking app. So I'm not going to go to my banking app because you'll be able to see all my account, but I've taken some screenshots in advance. So I'm with a different bank to probably what a lot of you are, especially if you're watching overseas. But this would be like the home page of my bank account. I would hit pay and transfer down on that bottom toolbar there. I would then go pay someone. And then I would hit this little plus sign up there because we're not paying a bank account, we're not paying by mobile number, and we're not making an overseas transfer. So some banks might have a different thing. It might be like other or extras. So for my bank, it's a little plus sign. And then I will go more. And I'll pay someone using an email address because the address that Binance just gave us is actually an email address. And then I'll paste it in there. So what's their email address? I paste in their little Binance email address that they gave us. And after that, it's asked you to type in how much you're sending. So if you typed in $100 on the Binance app, you type in $100 on your banking app. And then you hit send, and it's pretty much instantaneous, to be honest. It usually goes through very quickly for me. I remember the first time I ever did it, it took about anywhere between 24 and 48 hours, which is normal because you're sending it somewhere that your bank hasn't seen before, so it has to actually look into it. What else do we have? Yeah, so once that goes through, you then can go back to your app and you'll notice that your balance up the top there would have actually increased to basically it's set in value of USDT usually. So if I put in 100 Australian dollars, it'll probably say roughly $75 value. So once you've actually got Australian dollars, you'll actually have to go to your Australian dollars and you click it and you see these two kind of pairs right here. So it says AUD BUSD and AUD USDT. So basically every time you're on an exchange, everything is set in pairs so you can swap one type of currency for another. So most things you can buy in USDT. So what I'm going to do is actually sell my AUD or Australian dollars that I've just deposited and trade it in for US dollars. So you then click that and you get to this screen. Now, don't get confused by all these numbers. Basically, on the left, all the red ones are sell orders that people have created trying to sell, and all the green stuff are buy orders. So if I want to sell my Australian to US, I click the sell at the top. I will then click this little 100% thing to sell all of it, and then I'll hit sell. It creates the order, and you can see that down the bottom just there. Now, that takes a little while to go through. I'm going to hit cancel now and just reset it and see if I can get it done quicker. But it might take a little while. So let's just wait for that to go through. I'm very impatient, so I just keep doing it until it goes through usually. There we go, gone through. Okay, so now that we've got our USDT, we can actually buy our BNB. So on the bottom, you're going to go down to market. You're going to search BNB, and you see the second one there, BNB USDT. So I go into there, you can see the little live chart. I'm going to hit buy, and then I'll do the same thing. So I'll go buy, 100%, buy BNB, and it creates a little order. And yet again, I'm going to be impatient. And it already went through, I think. Yep. So now I go back to my wallet and I've got some BNB. So it says here at the total, I've got 0.217 BNB. So that's good. And the bottom here, we've got two options. The yellow button says deposit and the other button says withdraw. So I'm going to hit withdraw. And this address right here, I'm not going to paste it in right now, but that is the same address as your MetaMask wallet. So all I would do is get my address from my MetaMask wallet that you would have created before, paste it in there, and then everything else will autofill. And then you just set how much BNB you actually want to trade. So let's say it's 0.2 BNB. And then you'll hit withdraw and you'll get it in your MetaMask wallet and it'll appear pretty quickly. Sometimes it takes like 10 minutes, sometimes it's instant, just depends on how much is going on at that time of the day. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. I hope this has been helpful for all newcomers. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you can. If you've got any questions, shoot us an email on laidfinance.com or to laid.finance@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram, Laid Finance. Hope you guys get laid. Thank you.